Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are hearing some sounds, that's because Loki Bear is right down over there playing with his little toy. So we're gonna let him play and make his noise, okay? In today's video, we're gonna be talking about 7 skincare lies that have been told to us from the beginning of time. Why, you ask? Why? Obviously to make us buy more products, the kind of products that we do not need. And all of us, including me guys, we've all fallen into this trap, and I want to break this cycle. So I want to spill some of the tea on skincare lies that have been told to us. Now this could offend some people, this could break the hearts of some people, this could upset you. But are you strong? We need to know the truth, right? So let's get started. But before that, if this is the very first time you're watching me, hi, I am Jovita. I'm not always this glam. Today just happens to be one of those days. If you like everything skincare, beauty and travel, this channel is just the right place for you. Take a second to click that subscribe button, and by the end of this video, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up because that really helps me out. So let's get started. Skincare lie number 1 is natural versus chemical skincare products. Now, more than a lie, this is also a belief that is so deeply rooted in our culture as Indians, because our roots of Ayurveda is so strong. It's almost 5,000 years old, and we think that everything natural, all the natural products that are coming out in the market are all based on Ayurveda. But let me break it down to you guys. There is no such thing as a chemical-free skincare product or a chemical-free makeup, because everything in science is chemical. Our body is a huge big chemical composition. Water is a chemical, H2O. So everything is a chemical if you think about it. So there is nothing called a chemical free skincare product or a skincare brand. First and foremost, when you see chemical free on a product slapped across its packaging, you know they're lying to you. Now this belief that natural is better than, say, synthetic, that's not always true as well, because skincare products, there are a couple of points that we need to break down. Today's skincare products are formulated to give our skin the exact dose of certain things to give us the result that we need. When it comes to natural, it might be a little bit of hydrating. It won't have the kind of quantity of the ingredient that our skin needs to gain the kind of result we need. Also, a lot of people are allergic to natural things. So if you think about poison ivy, some of those mushrooms, some of these plants and leaves, a lot of people are allergic to it. A lot of people are allergic to nuts. So almond oil, coconut oil, these could be very, very harmful to your skin because you could be allergic to it. So I want you to remove this idea that natural is better than chemical. There is no such thing. Having said that, there definitely are good products and there are bad products. For this, what I would recommend you to do is flip a product. Every time you buy a product, guys, flip a product to its ingredients list and read the ingredients. First of all, it should have minimal ingredients, like say not more than 10 ingredients. And the very first few ingredients are the most active, like this product is made up of that basically, and it shouldn't be things like fragrance and some fillers and mineral oil and paraffin, and that means it's a bad product. Now if it is made up of aloe vera, bentonite clay, kaolin clay, glycolic acid, these are all good stuff that our skin needs. If the first few ingredients are that, the product is good. So what we have to do to figure out what is good for us, what is bad for us, is to really understand our skin's need and also understand what's there on the label of a product. Skincare lie number 2 is under eye dark circles. Now this is something that I have had a strong feeling against for years now, but I never wanted to talk about it because I felt like it's just me, only I felt this. But I did this extensive research, and guess what guys, if you have really dark under eye circles, there are so many reasons why you might be having it, and slapping on just one under eye cream is not going to get rid of it. In fact, I have never tried an under eye cream that has gotten rid of my dark circles. Never. I don't think under eye creams can do it. Probably there's a little bit of bleaching property in under eye creams. We have products for hyperpigmentation, so those kind of products can be applied to under eye area, but an under eye darkness can be caused by a lot of problems. Like it could be health related, it could be insane tiredness. It could be because you slept too much. It could be because you're not sleeping enough. It could be because your body doesn't have enough water. It could be because you have sunken eyes like myself. Do you see these lines that I have? So this casts shadow on the under eye area. So what a lot of people do these days is they get fillers under this area to, lift it up and flatten that area so there is no dark circle. So there are so many reasons for under eye circle that a cream is just a way too generic product to tackle that. So I don't believe in under eye brightening creams. I guess, concealer is your best bet, and it's okay. It's nothing to be ashamed of or feel bad about. We have concealer. Skincare lie number 3 are creams targeting deep wrinkles. For example, these wrinkles that I have on my neck. Now these I've had since I was a kid. It's hereditary, guys. Now no matter what cream I apply on this, it's not gonna go because they are deep set wrinkles. Now if you have fine wrinkles, creams can temporarily plump them out, fill them out. What creams can do is prevent the formation of premature fine lines. What skincare cannot do is reversal. So any DIY that you see, especially DIY that you see on YouTube, get rid of your wrinkles in 10 days, in 5 days, won't work. Don't waste your time on it. Don't waste like a good pot of yogurt on it. The only rescue to these kind of things, or if you have deep wrinkles on your forehead or these smile lines, is Botox and fillers. That's the only, or lasers. There are a lot of, so you have to see a dermatologist or a cosmetologist. I don't really know which, but that is the route you need to be taking. A cream or a mask is not going to reverse these things. Skincare lie number 4 is this thought that more cleansing is better, especially if you have acne prone skin. There is a belief that people get acne because their skin is dirty, or their skincare routine or their lifestyle is dirty. That needn't be it, guys. Again, I've got so many videos on acne. I can put it up right here. There are so many reasons why people can end up having acne or pimples, and cleansing your skin too much can only cause more pimples and acne from forming instead of getting rid of it. Because what you do when you cleanse your skin too much is you are causing tiny little micro tears in your skin through which bacteria can get into your skin and cause acne. So when you use a face wash, you should never feel tight. A gentle, thorough cleanser. I have mentioned many of my favorite cleansers in my previous past skincare videos, so please do refer to my older skincare videos, guys. I think I have about 70 skincare videos. I have so much information already on this channel. I highly recommend you to go through what would look interesting to you. Skincare lie number 5 is pores. Now this is gonna break your heart, okay? All of these DIYs, get rid of your pores. Nothing is gonna get rid of your pores because your skin needs your pores to breathe. Your pores is what your skin breathes through, so you can't just get rid of your pores. Some people have larger looking pores, some people have smaller looking pores. What we can do is temporarily tighten the appearance of pores. Now, people who live in hotter places, more humid places like India or any of those places around the equator, they will have larger appearing pores because we need to sweat more. It is hot. So when you understand the science behind it, guys, we will stop penalizing the way we look so much. We are more dark skinned because we have more melanin, because we are on the equator. It's just God's way of saying, there, take care of yourself. Let me give you some natural sunscreen. Same way, the pores is something that we need. Now, the people who are on the northern hemisphere, like the Europeans or people from North America, Canada, they have colder temperatures, so they don't have to really sweat that much. So they have tighter pores. Now, here is what you might be actually interested in. Now, how do I shrink the size of my pore or make it seem smaller? What you have to do is use a deep pore cleansing mask at least twice a week. I have spoken about pore cleansing masks in almost all of my skincare videos, and they're so important because they take out the grime out of your pores. So when all of the sebum is left in your pore without taking it out, the sebum is stuck in your pore and the pore keeps expanding and it looks big. And this is also what turns into whiteheads and blackheads. So when you use a deep pore cleansing clay mask or a bentonite clay, there is so, I've spoken about so many, the caffeine one, the Ilana one, the Teamy one. I've spoken about so many detox masks. You can use any one that you already have, even the Aztec Indian healing clay. They all deep cleanse your pores, and when you take all of this gunk out, the pore shrinks. Also, products with BHA in it, the BHA toners that I've spoken about in many of my videos as well, they also go deep into your pores and cleanse your pores. And if you want like a quick tightening effect, rub an ice on your face or apply like a cold serum on your face. That's gonna immediately tighten your pores. So any DIY that you see on YouTube, guys, from now on, how to get rid of your pores and all of that, you know, lies. Skincare lie number 6. This is gonna be a little painful as well, but the more we accept how we are, the easier it's gonna be, okay? Stretch marks. So all of these DIYs, all of these creams, all of these bio oils and whatnot targeted towards getting rid of stretch mark, not gonna work, because stretch marks are just like deep wrinkle. It's formed into your skin and it's there to stay. I think there are laser treatments to help fade the look of stretch marks. So if it is really bothering you, you can go and get yourself like a laser treatment. But other than that, guys, if you have fresh stretch marks, like they still appear kind of red, you can apply certain products and get rid of the stretch mark or like make them seem lighter. What you can do is prevent stretch marks, but some people's bodies are just prone to stretch marks. It is hereditary. Like some skin are prone to getting keloids. You can't do anything about it. No matter what cream you apply, you're gonna get the stretch mark, you're gonna get the keloid, you know? That is a harsh reality and a harsh truth that we need to accept. And again, stop penalizing ourselves. You know, if you are prone to getting stretch marks, you have a lot of stretch marks, especially on your hips and thigh. We all do. Which human being does not have stretch marks on their bum? It's okay. Especially if you're a mom and you've got stretch marks on your tummy. You made a baby. You made a human being. It's okay. Skincare lie number 7. This probably is one that actually irritates me. It is pink lips. Pink lips, pink lips, pink lips, pink lips. We actually have a song, Pink Lips. Why? The amount of DMs I get to make a DIY remedy to get natural pink lips is insane, guys. It's insane. You know what? I have pigmented lips. You know, I have the very typical brown girl, two-toned lips where my top lip is kind of like a purple shade and my bottom lips is pink in color. I don't like it, which is why I always have a tinted lip balm on. You know what? That's the solution. Slap on a tinted lip balm. It doesn't matter what you apply on your lips, guys. The number of DIYs on YouTube is crazy. Do they work? I will tell you, no they don't. Put rose water on your lips, put beetroot on your lips, put Vaseline on your lips, put this on it, put that on your... It's not gonna make your lips appear naturally pink. Some people are born with naturally pink lips, good for them. Some people are not. Good for them, because that's just how our natural body is, guys, and we just need to accept it, and that's it. That's it. But I think again there is a laser treatment or injection or something to make your lips pink. If you really want pink lips, I think it can be done at the doctor's office, but not by DIY rose petals on your lips. It's just not gonna work. The beetroot thing could work because beetroot juice tints your lips, so I mean it's like using a lip tint, you know, which is what I do. So I'm sorry, you can't make your lips pink naturally if you were not born with pink lips naturally. But there are certain things that you do that darkens your lips, which you can avoid, which is just like our skin, lips get tanned too. So when you buy a lip balm with SPF. Smoking darkens your lips. Drinking very hot drinks and a lot of tea, coffee darkens your lips, stains your teeth. So if you avoid these things, if you naturally have pink lips and it became darker over the years, you can revert back to your natural pink lips. You know? Yeah. We reached the end of the video. These are the 7 skincare lies that we have been told for years, and that's that. If there are any other skincare lies that you've heard that I missed out, leave them down in the comment section below. I want to know what that is. I hope that you found this video helpful. I hope I did not offend anyone, because people get offended at something all the time. I'm sorry in advance if I offended you. That was not the purpose of this video. It was just to open our eyes to all the lies that we're being told, because I don't like lies. At this point, if you like this video, give that thumbs up a huge smash. You know you want to. You know. Give it a like, guys. Give it a like. Okay then. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and I shall see you in my next one. Also, come say hi to me on my Instagram, okay? I love you. Mwah.